Assalamu alaikum students and good morning. Welcome back. Okay, now we will start question answers and fill in the blanks of chapter 12. But as all you know about, before starting your work, first you will write title page, you will write chapter number, then you will write chapter name. Okay. After making title page, you will start your work from the next page, write date on header and start your work. First, you will write question number 1, what are mechanics, meteorology, philosophy and historiography. You will write heading with the black pen or black marker. Then you will start the answer from the next line. The science of the mechanics, the science of the action of the parts of a machine. This is the definition of mechanics. The second definition is meteorology means it is a scientific study of weather condition. Philosophy, the study of the meaning of existence, reality and knowledge. Historiography is the study of how history is written. Okay, this is question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Okay, now start question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is the difference between astrology and astronomy? First, you will write heading astronomy with the black pen. It is the study of stars and planets and their movements. Okay, now next heading is astrology. It is the study of supposed influence of stars on human nature. Now come to question number 3. Who is Ibn Battuta? Ibn Battuta कौन है? You will write first heading Ibn Battuta with the bold letters and with black pen or black marker. Then you will start from the next line. Ibn Battuta was the most famous of the early Muslim travelers. He covered about 120,000 kilometers, is equivalent of 3 times round the equator. Come to question number 4. Write the names of the books of scientist Al-Biruni. Why he was known as magicians. The books of Al-Biruni are Materia Magica, Kitab al-Jawahir, Al-Tafhim, Tahqiqul Hind. He was called magician due to his accuracy in astronomical calculation. Now come to question number 5. What was the contribution of Ibn Rushd? Ibn Rushd's main contribution was to philosophy, and his treatise on the work of the Greek philosopher Aristotle made him an authority on the subjects. Question number 6. Why was Ibn Sina famous for? Ibn Sina's main contribution was to medicines, and his work, Canons of Medicines Qanun al-Shifa, became in Europe the basis of teaching medicines till the 17th century. The next question is question number 7. What is the contribution of Ibn Khaldun? Ibn Khaldun was keen observer of human nature and the development of people and civilizations. He can also be called the father of sociology for his study and observation on group of people. Now come to question number 8. What do you know about Al-Khwarizmi? The answer of this question is Al-Khwarizmi was a famous mathematician. He established the Indian neural system and the use of zero in mathematics. Now come to question number 9. This is the last question of this chapter. Write down the importance of Al-Khayyam. He was famous for his rubaiyat or quatrains. Khayyam's important contribution to mathematics and astronomy, however, is less known. He reformed the Persian solar calendar and renamed it as a Jalali's calendar. Okay, so here we have completed 9 question answers. Now come to next page. You will write fill in the blanks with the bold letter and with the black pen. Okay, fill in the blanks. The first one is Al-Biruni was born in dash and died in dash. कब पैदा हुए Al-Biruni? उज़्बेकिस्तान में पैदा हुए and died in Ghazni. A book named Canons was written by Al-Biruni on dash. किस पे लिखी उन्होंने? Astronomy. इब्न रुश्द मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन वाज द डैश. उनका मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन ज़्यादातर किस पे था? फिलोसफी. इब्न खल्दन रोट इंट्रोडक्शन टू डैश किताबुल इबार. डैश इज़ अ 4 लाइन पोएम. किसको 4 लाइन पोएम कहते हैं? रुबाई. ठीक है. सो हेयर वी हैव कंप्लीट चैप्टर 12. After completing question answers and fill the blanks, you will write chapter name and chapter number in your index column. First you will write chapter number 12, then you will write chapter name in index column. Okay, and after writing index. What you have to do, you have to learn the complete chapter, the 9 question answers, and fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you.